Let's just grab the bumper and present it in front of the car like this. Pretty much align as much as you can. Take a look at this. And this one's over here. Yeah. We go underneath. And also this plastic would fit. So I made that one fit underneath. There is a small plastic right there that also has to fit. That one, the other plastic, and this one. And you kind of see how it follows the line of light. It kind of falls into place. Same here, so I'm checking and it's all gonna fall into place. Great. Let's check that everything is aligned under the car. Like that it fits this way. That this is gonna be the bolt. And here's gonna be a clip. And then there's gonna be this one. It's the right way, 1, 2, 3, and then another one, and the other side is the same. So let's make sure that it actually fits the right way. Yeah, this one is fine. That's the bolt, it's gonna be fine. This falls into place, and over there is gonna be the other plug. So now that you know that everything is aligned, you just simply push. You verify that they are fitting into place, and you push this inside and this side as well. There. Now we're gonna do the other side. Now we just have to put the screws from underneath. These are the screws, so one on each side. Done. Then you have to put back the clips at the bottom. I already put this one here and the bolt here. Now we're gonna put back a few others. There, one. This one here. Let's align it if we can. There. Perfect. One more. And pretty much I did half at that point. This is half of the car. So I did half already. You have to do the other half exactly the same as this one, but of course mirrored. And then we go to the top. Now we just put the clips at the top. One. Please subscribe and like this video and ask any questions you may have. I'll answer super quick, always. Thank you.